Hi, I'm Charmaine. Welcome to this 10-minute standing sequence. This class can be used on its own or to kickstart your yoga flow with a sequence to help you feel grounded and assertive any time of the day. If you'd like to add an extra boost of confidence to your assertive energy, check out my confidence boosting affirmations, linked to the top right-hand corner of the screen, and also in the description box below. But for now, come to standing and let's get started. Taking a cleansing inhale breath through the nose and exhale. Bringing this to shoulder rolls. Take the shoulders up to the ears, down and round, loosening off through the shoulders. Let it go. Inhale, hands extend overhead. Exhale, mini back bend. Inhale to rise. Exhale as you fold forward, head to the knees. Pedaling the knees left and right here. We're moving at pace as this is compact but powerful. Take an inhale breath. And on your exhale, release. On your next inhale breath, rolling up to stand, stacking vertebrae by vertebrae. Crown of the head is the last to rise. Take a few shoulder rolls before we come to our first flow. Inhale, hands extend overhead. See the fingers and thumbs, mini back bend. Exhale. Inhale to rise, bring the thumbs to the sternum. Exhale to fold. Perhaps folding in a little deeper this time as you continue to pedal the legs left and right. Left hand center of the feet, bend the left knee. Extension with the right hand, hook the back hip. Looking up and over the back shoulder. Take an inhale breath. Release. Bring down the right hand, swapping over. Left hand extends, right knee bends, with the option to hook onto the top thigh, gently gazing to the sky or marginally over the shoulder. Inhale, extend. Exhale to lower the hand to the ground. Pedal the legs and then rolling back up to stand again, stacking vertebrae by vertebrae. Exhale. Option of a couple of shoulder rolls here. And then bringing the hands by the sides, sweeping them up overhead. Mini back bends, perhaps going a little deeper this time. Take an inhale to rise, every inhale we ascend. And exhale to fold. Bring the head to the knees. Inhale, halfway lift, stepping back the left leg. Right knee stacks over the right ankle. Drop the left knee. Inhale, hands reach up towards the sky. Exhale, optional crescent lunge. Inhale to rise. Frame the front foot, tuck the back toes, stepping forwards, Utkatasana. Biceps come up by the ears as the knees stay bent and glued together. Inhale to rise. Exhale, hands by the sides. Bringing it back to your shoulder rolls. Inhale, hands extend. Exhale, coming into your back bend. Inhale to extend back up. Exhale to fold forwards, compression of the head towards the knees. Inhale, halfway lift. Plant the hands. Step back the right leg. Drop the right knee. Inhale, reaching up towards the sky as you exhale into your crescent lunge. Inhale back up, framing the front foot. Bump onto the ball of the back foot as you step forwards, Utkatasana. Biceps by the ears. Take an exhale as you press it back, Ardha Utkatasana. Coming to your half chair pose, maybe getting the thighs parallel to the earth. Take an inhale here. And as you exhale, hands come down to the earth. Hips rise, feet parallel and hip distance apart. Take the peace fingers, wrap them around the big toes. Exhale, fold, elbows coming east and west. Inhale, hips continue to rise. Maybe close the eyes here. Enjoying the slowdown on the exhale. Take one more inhale here. And exhale, seeing what you can let go of. On the next inhale breath, release the toes. Exhale, hands to hips. Inhale all the way to rise. Shoulder rolls. Coming into forward facing triangle, stepping back the right leg. Back foot is at 45 degrees, both hips face forward. Taking opposite elbows or coming into reverse prayer pose. Take an inhale, broaden through the chest. And exhale, starting by coming halfway down, seeing how this feels. And then folding all the way in if that feels good to you. Bringing the head below the knee. Keep a soft bend in the left knee. And just check out where that right hip bone's at. Can you bring it forward anymore? Inhale, halfway lift, hands to the hips, right bicep by the ears, cross over the leg. Inhale, opening up with the left arm, gazing up, see the left thumb. Exhale, looking down towards the right hand. Inhale, hands on hips to stand, stepping forward, Utkatasana, biceps by the ears. Your thighs may be on fire here, we're coming down, Ardha Utkatasana. Move the body with the breath. Exhale to fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Come to standing on the hands as you exhale and fold forwards. If you don't enjoy the sensation of standing on the hands, you can absolutely use the peace fingers again and wrap them around the big toes. Dig an inhale breath, checking out if you've got any more space down the backs of the legs now. Exhale fully. One more inhale breath here. And as you exhale, release the hands, bring them to the hips, and rolling up vertebrae by vertebrae to stand. Perhaps feeling warmer and looser in the shoulders now. Hop the feet together. Bring the weight into the right foot as you step back with the left foot. Back foot is at 45 degrees. Hands start on the hips, with the option to take opposite elbows or reverse prayer. If you're doing opposite elbows, swap the grip of which hand's on top. Take an inhale breath, broadening through the shoulders. And exhale to fold forwards. Check out if one side of the body feels different from the other side of the body today. For me, I'm a little stickier in this side, so I'm moving with ease. Take an inhale breath where you are. And exhale. Taking an inhale to ascend, hands to the hips, left bicep by the ears as it crosses over the leg. Right hand extends, take your gaze, your drishti up to the right thumb as you inhale, broadening through the shoulders. Exhale, look down towards the left hand, bringing the hands to the hips. Using the inhale breath to neatly bring you all the way back up. Stepping forwards. Final shoulder rolls to end the class. Hopefully feeling a whole load warmer with your energy flowing through your body now. Bring the hands up overhead, ending the session the way we started, thumbs to the sternum. Thank you for practicing with me today. If you enjoyed this quick session, please consider liking, subscribing and commenting so that I can make even more classes for you. Have a great day. Take care.